Global manufacturing CEOs consistently point to talent as the top driver of manufacturing competitiveness. With an aging population and labor shortage, employee attraction, retention, and engagement are more important than ever. Engaged employees are more productive, safer, and less likely to turn over. In this demo, we'll show you how to connect, engage, and activate employees, including those working in factories, plants, or mills. Let's begin. Meet Richard, a plant manager at Built Incorporated. The company recently phased out costly printed newsletters and introduced the Dynamic Signal employee communication and engagement platform. Richard starts his day at the plant with a notification from headquarters requesting he reinforce the recently introduced safety policy, ensuring all plant employees have read it and are following it. Richard checks Dynamic Signal to see who has read and acknowledged the safety policy and notices that not all of the plant's employees have engaged with the content. He then revisits the policy himself in his saved items and heads off to the factory floor. He observes his workers and notices that some of them are not following the policy. He trains this team and then snaps a photo with his mobile of the correct machine configuration and creates a post, reminding employees of the policy and pointing out the correct configuration to use, and publishes it right from his phone. He then leaves a comment to thank those who have already read and acknowledged the safety change. Richard receives a group message from two of his production leaders. One is having car trouble and has asked another lead to begin the morning meeting for both of their teams. Richard confirms the plan, is satisfied that the teams will stay on schedule, and likes that the two have solved the problem on their own using Dynamic Signal. Richard then goes to his office area, fires up his computer. He selects several posts on company culture, vision, and life at the plant, and he creates a newsletter for the new employees that were onboarded yesterday, requesting they start their shift by spending 15 minutes reviewing the content as part of their training. Knowing he still needs to hire several more employees, Richard shares the open job rec with his social network. Next, he greets a group of qualified candidates who are visiting the plant. He plays a short welcome video from HQ to kick off the tour. Recruiting and training new talent is the part of Richard's job he likes best. Feeling connected, engaged, and activated with Dynamic Signal, Richard starts his tour.